Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change your TikTok region country location. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired profile and then tap on your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And from there, tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, go to settings and privacy. Now go to account, or you can also go to, if you can't find that option on your account, then go to account permission, and here you can find this option of account region. So head over there. Once you're there, you will be able to see lots of region from which you can just select your one and then make sure you tick mark on that and your region will be changed. So yeah, this is how you can change your country region on TikTok. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.